For Singapore, going green is a national imperative. As one of the most populated cities in the world, it wants to be a global leader in green building and set a sustainable example.
You got so many big cities in this region, Kuala Lumpur, Jakarta, and all these, they are highly urbanized. So sooner or later there is this need to do something to make sure that the development is sustainable in these cities. So we thought, why don't we take the lead?
BCA wants 80% of Singapore's buildings certified as green by 2030. It retrofitted its own 20-year-old BCA Academy to create a showcase zero-energy building.
We retrofit an existing building, changing the facade, providing shading, using solar chimney, and having a very efficient cooling system. You put all this together, you can cut down the energy need by half, which is very substantial.
Inside, natural light and more efficient air circulation provide further energy savings, but these can provide non-economic benefits as well.
To get employees, good people, talented people to join the company, it makes a lot of sense for the business to embrace environmental sustainability.
The Pan Pacific Hotel Group integrated sustainable strategies from the start when designing this Park Royal Hotel property.
Singapore authorities have a standard for developing buildings and the greenery that you need to add to that particular building. We are about 8 times higher than that standard.
The result is an urban oasis right here in the middle of Singapore's central business district. 15,000 square meters of sky gardens, water features, and open terraces. A gravity-driven irrigation system keeps the green walls green. That cools these open-air guest room corridors. And a first in Singapore, a new construction technique replaces some of the concrete slab with recycled plastic. These features can result in energy savings of anywhere from 5% to 15%. The hotel has a platinum rating in Singapore's green scheme.
This is what we believe this brand could look and feel like going forward. And it's a very, very good example with a very high benchmark, I would say, when it comes to sustainable building and living.
The next step for Singapore is to get into research and development, building a test lab at the BCA to see how innovations from around the world fare in this tropical climate.